12 years. That's how long this property sat empty. Overgrown weeds, a collapsing roof, broken windows, a dead tree in the front yard. Most people drove past and saw an eyesore, but we saw something else. We saw potential. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how we transformed this abandoned 2,000 square foot plot into a luxury smart home that any family would be proud to call their own. Stick around to the end because the final reveal, it'll give you chills. Step 1 wasn't demolition, it was assessment. We brought in a team to evaluate every single inch of this property. The soil, the foundation, which bricks could be saved, which walls had to go. A drone mapped the entire site in 3D, and within 48 hours, we had a complete digital twin of the property. Knowing what you're working with before you touch anything is the difference between a smooth renovation and a money pit. Next, clearing the land. We brought in autonomous electric machinery to rip out the weeds, remove the debris, and take down the unsafe sections. Here's the thing. We didn't just trash everything. Every salvageable brick, every piece of old wood was sorted and saved. This house had history. We wanted to keep some of it. With the site cleared, we poured a brand new foundation using self-leveling concrete, embedded with sensors that would later monitor the health of the building. Then came the frame, lightweight carbon fiber reinforced polymer, stronger than steel, faster to install. Within 2 weeks, the bones of the new home were standing exactly where the old ruins used to be. The roof went on next. Integrated solar tiles that blend seamlessly into the design. No bulky panels, just clean, modern lines. Then the exterior walls. A mix of warm cedar wood, natural stone, and smooth bio-concrete. We even integrated that original brick wall we saved, turning it into a feature, not a memory. This is where the house started to look like a home. Interior and smart systems. AI core activation plus modular furniture rising video. Inside, things got really interesting. We installed radiant heated floors, a geothermal HVAC system, and a greywater recycler that cuts water usage by nearly 70%. But the centerpiece? The AI core. A floating crystal orb that controls everything. Lighting, temperature, security, even the furniture. Watch this. Modular sofa sections that rise from hidden floor compartments. A coffee table that appears when you need it and disappears when you don't. This isn't science fiction. This is living. Conclusion. And here it is, the final result. From an abandoned, forgotten property that nobody wanted to a luxury smart home where a family now laughs by the pool, hosts friends by the fire, and lives better than they ever imagined. This transformation took planning, technology, and a vision to see what others couldn't. But the message is simple. Every abandoned place deserves a second chance. If you enjoyed this transformation, drop a comment below and tell me, what would you add to your dream home? And don't forget to subscribe for more renovations that turn forgotten spaces into something extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Now go find your own abandoned gem.